All right, let's dive right into this explainer. Today we're talking about the absolute holy grail of personal finance, passive income. We hear this term thrown around constantly, but honestly, today we're bypassing all that hype. We're going straight to the source material to uncover the 7 fundamental pillars that can actually help you build real wealth. Here is our roadmap for today. First, we'll look at the passive income dream, then traditional real estate and stocks, followed by creating valuable digital products, audience and affiliate marketing, and finally, the path to consistency.
So, starting us off with Section 1, the passive income dream.
What if you could earn money even while you're sleeping? That's the ultimate dream, right? But let's contrast that against the stark reality that most of us actually face. We trade our waking hours for dollars, and the very second we clock out for the day, our earning potential hits a total brick wall. It really boils down to a simple choice. Relying on the one paycheck model is incredibly vulnerable. If that one tap shuts off, you're in a lot of trouble. Financially successful people, though, operate completely differently. They build multiple income streams. Think of it like a series of pipelines that just keep flowing, regardless of where they are or what they're actively doing at that moment.
And that brings us to today's magic number 7. We're looking at exactly 7 highly specific ideas to build those very pipelines. And the absolute best part? You really don't need a massive financial empire or a secret trust fund to start laying down these foundations today.
Moving right along to Section 2, traditional real estate and stocks.
So, our very first pillar is dividend stocks. Here's how this actually works in practice. Instead of just hoarding all their cash, established companies will actually share a portion of their profits directly with you, the shareholder. And the real magic, highlighted in our source material? Well, if you take those dividends and immediately reinvest them to buy even more stock, it creates this incredible snowball effect of growing income over time. It's a real game changer. Pillar number 2 brings us to the world of real estate. Now, traditional physical rental properties are undeniably powerful. They offer you that steady monthly rent from tenants, plus the property itself usually appreciates in value, so it's this fantastic dual threat of income and growth. But, and there's a big but here, the catch is you actually have to manage a physical building. Fixing leaky roofs at 2 a.m. and dealing with tenants. So if being a landlord sounds absolutely exhausting to you, our third pillar is the perfect alternative: real estate investment trusts, commonly called REITs. Basically, think of them like mutual funds, but entirely for real estate. They allow everyday people like us to invest in massive property portfolios. We're talking shopping malls, huge apartment complexes, without ever buying a single physical building. And just like those dividend stocks we mentioned, they pay out a portion of their rental income directly to you.
All right, shifting gears to Section 3, creating valuable digital products.
Pillar number 4 is all about digital products, and the absolute magic here is ultimate leverage. Imagine designing a beautifully organized budgeting template in Excel just one single time. Because it's a digital file, you literally have zero inventory, zero shipping costs. You can sell that exact same file 10 times or 10,000 times with absolutely no extra effort on your part.
Building directly on that concept is our 5th pillar, online courses. Just think about it for a second. What's a specific skill you have that your friends are constantly asking you for help with? Whether that's coding, cooking, or playing the guitar, you can package that knowledge. And once it's recorded and uploaded, students all over the world can buy it and learn from you at 3 a.m. while you're fast asleep.
Next up is Section 4, audience and affiliate marketing. Pillar number 6 is leveraging platforms like YouTube. Now, as you'll see from the source material, a successful channel isn't just one single income stream. It's an entire ecosystem. Once you put in the hard work of building an audience that tunes in for the value you provide, you open up multiple overlapping avenues. We're talking ad revenue, big brand sponsorships, and of course, our final pillar, affiliate marketing. And that perfectly tees up pillar number 7, affiliate marketing. The mechanics here are actually super simple. You promote a product, someone buys it through your specific link, and you get a cut of the sale, a commission. But you know the real secret sauce here? It's trust. This only works as a passive income source if you genuinely recommend products that actually solve your audience's problems. When done right, it's a total win-win connection. Which brings us to our final part today, Section 5, the path to consistency. Okay, let's just pause for a quick reality check here. Passive income absolutely does not happen overnight. It is not, by any means, a get-rich-quick scheme. Actually, scratch that. It's more like passive income is incredibly active in the beginning. It requires a massive upfront investment of your time and some serious front-loaded effort to build the system before it can ever run on autopilot.
So to actually reach the finish line, our source lays out a really practical 4-step methodology. First, don't overwhelm yourself. Just start with one single idea. Second, take the time to learn the mechanics of it. Third, refine and improve your process. And fourth, stay consistent. Honestly, it's that quiet, kind of boring consistency over months and years that ultimately builds the passive stream.
Our source leaves us with this truly brilliant reminder. Your future self will thank you. Building passive income is essentially a massive exercise in delaying gratification. It's about planting a seed and doing the really hard, totally unglamorous work of watering it today, just so you can finally enjoy the shade a few years down the line.
So, we've explored dividend stocks, rental properties, REITs, digital products, online courses, YouTube, and affiliate marketing. And now I want to leave you with this final, provocative question. Which of these 7 passive income pillars are you going to start building today? Pick just one, stay consistent with it, and begin your journey to true financial freedom.